Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have a poultry farm for sale. 4 buildings composed of 25 heads broiler chicken. So, this is a broiler. Are padagkoon ang mga manok for 45 or less than 45 days. Then they have a supplier also. So, nindot kayo no, kay income na ba? It's already an income generating. Then, dagko pa kayo og haligi. Kita na to dagko kay haligi yang kuano, yang kanang poultry farm. So, water and electricity are available. You can still convert this property into a tunnel vent. Sa hinahinayo na lang nimo tunnel vent. Okay ra pod siya pero mamaniuso ang tunnel vent. Pero traditional, still okay with the municipal kay medyo natago man po ni siya. Di pagkain ni mo klaro ba kay murag nasa sa kuan. Murag sig nasuok pero basta nindot kay ang kuan niya location. Dindool ra jud sa it's really near to the town proper. Okay. So the price is 15 million pesos. This is 1 hectare with a clean title for 15 or 15 million pesos. If you like the property, you can immediately negotiate with the owner. Negotiate from mo. Okay? Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.